Step 5, execution is everything. Offer on every good lead. In this video, I'm going to show you how your pipeline turns into the best CRM system for deals and how you can dominate your investment area. Execution is everything. Unless you are new to this, and doing lots of viewings is actually necessary for you to cut your teeth, make you more confident and build your experience of seeing lots of properties, there will come a time when your time will be the sole constraints on growing your portfolio or your sourcing business. You want to get into the mindset of if it's worth viewing, it's worth offering. Offer on everything. 80% of people out there are just scrolling through the portals. Of the 20% of people viewing properties, only 20% actually offer, and then nobody follows up. Believe me, by following these steps and with the help of Property Filter, you'll make it to the top 1% of investors out there. This is where your pipeline turns into a CRM system for deals. From the pipeline view, by clicking on a property card, you can click on Add an Action to open the CRM pop-up. You can access the same from your property detail view by clicking Add an Action in the Action and Comment tile, or by clicking on any stage of the pipeline from the same view. This is where you can progress your deals along your pipeline stages. Here is the place you can record your interaction with the property, the owner, the agent. You can go as much or as little into the details here, recording whatever is valuable to you. And say the property sells to someone else tomorrow and then comes back on the market in 3 months' time, in 6 months' time. You want to be able to pull your notes and call the agents or the vendor, call them by their names to fast track the rapport building, relate to previous conversations so that you are seen professional, and you can do this at scale. Here you can place viewing dates so that they sync with your calendar. You can record the offers you made, and very importantly, set reminders for your next follow-up. In 3 days, in 2 weeks, in 4 weeks, in 8 weeks, or at any specific dates you want. I repeat, this is the most important at this stage. You should set a reminder for every property you send to the follow-up stage. You can revisit this as many times as you need, add viewing notes, record highlights of phone conversations with vendors or vendor meetings, all to pave the way to make sure you are at the top of the pile when it comes to the follow-up. So this is how you will stay organized and on top of your pipeline to record your viewings and offers very effectively. Always remember, if it's worth viewing, it's worth offering. In the next video, I'll show you the final step of how to never miss a follow-up to make sure no deals fall through the cracks and how you will effectively dominate your investment area.